Here's the first start of the excavator of the year. Just put the battery in it, check the oil, back it out, get some of this mud off the tracks. Hopefully she goes. The old glow plug. No problems. No problems. Start right up. Got her going. Works perfect. Started first time. Good to go. Hey guys, welcome back. Today we got a little task here. As you can see, she's a little gummy. So I'm just gonna do a ditch, a two-part ditch, I guess. I'm gonna start kind of flat here. I'm gonna dig it down until that there's like a little French drain. There's it right around here somewhere. And then that'll drain that way. And then I'm gonna dig it deeper down this way and try to match in to this drain right here, because that one's kind of deep. So I'll taper that up till it gets flat, and then I'll go down the other way towards the sea cans. And then down there on that bit of land there, I'm going to try to scrape something, because all the water tends to run down, and where my trailer is, it just gets all muddy and gummy and shit. So we'll clean all that up today. Seems relatively low here, deeper down there. Maybe I'll keep it shallow here and then go deeper down here to this gravel right here, which is like the French drain. See, it's kind of puddled, a bit wet. Hard to see on camera, but it gets really gooey when it rains.
seems your meal ticket is gone, but life goes on. I could never imagine so
tying nice with this French drain. I'll work my way back up there.
I want to go down the rabbit hole, down the rabbit hole.
Just fix that with a shovel. Hopefully it goes that way. Goes that way. Gonna make a little V, like I said, on this little ramp here. Make a V this way, a V that way. Hopefully all the water runs in the ditch. See, going down towards the ditch. There's a little green pipe right there. It's under the driveway. Continues on down there. Did that in a previous video. Kind of a low spot here, and it goes deeper. It's hard to tell on camera, but you know, it's probably 8 or 10 inches deep. And it ties into that gravel. Right here. Goes along over there and over to where we're going to dig our next ditch. Anyways, we'll work back this way. It's a high spot again. Goes down here, gets lower. Can't tell, probably 10 or 12 inches. It's a little wet. That goes through that pipe, which is a little driveway kind of up here. It's kind of where we store all the logs and spare dirt and all that kind of stuff. But all the water used to run across the driveway and just wash this piece out. So we just added this little piece up here. So if any water comes down from behind these logs or over here or up there, it hits this ditch. Goes back down into there, which all drains down out to the road. And anything that hits here, either go the one I just showed you or this other one that's kind of shallow, but it also goes down into that ditch. And it's really wet over here. You can tell it's kind of just like peat moss. I just tied that in. Also goes down the driveway and up towards the road. We got one left to dig, and that should help the water situation here. Looks like shit, but as long as it keeps the water off the driveway, That's all that matters. As soon as this kind of dirt here gets wet, it gets super muddy. That ditch straight ahead, you kind of see going out into the woods to the right. I just dug it temporarily, and that's why I'm putting all the dirt over there. I'm going to eventually level this out and re-dig the ditch because it's a really bad low spot. As you can see, it gets really soggy. So this is for a future project.